Hi, welcome to Dan's Kitchen. Today we're gonna make tacos pastor with pineapple, and I got some Boston butt, and as you can see, I cut it up into pieces, and I'm getting ready to barbecue it. Now, most people don't want to deal with the fat parts, but what I'm gonna do is I hide it, cause I'm gonna make some sausage in the later shows. So I hide. Okay, we're outside. We're getting ready to start our fire. And I just found that this Royal Oak charcoal is one of the best I ever used, better than Kingsford. Light it up. We got the charcoal started the way we like. And I just want to tell you guys, I haven't started a fire with charcoal lighter in about 15 years. I'm a roofer, so I got these torches for torch jam, but I use them for lighting fires, and it's the best. And what I like to do is I like to get the grill hot and get all the grease off from last week's barbecue. Back again. Pork butt, I got some salt. I'm gonna put a little salt on it. Nothing else, no other spice, don't need nothing. Okay, the grill is good and hot, so now I just give it a little brush. Get all that grease off. I don't barbecue every week. I barbecue maybe twice a day, but average once a day. Okay, this is one of the best grills that I own. It's made by Griller, and it holds the heat. It's not hot. I mean, it's warm but not hot. But it's all insulated. And look at that fire like that. Now watch this. You see how it went down? Now watch it open up. You see what I mean?
Yeah, I see that.
I mean, as soon as it gets a little air, this flares right up. So I'm gonna shut it down, and I'm gonna put our meat on. Doing that bone for me.
One for the TV.
I put a little oil on the meat so it doesn't stick to the hot grill. So it's got a little oil on it. And then I'm gonna smoke it. All I got is salt and a little bit of oil. Okay, this is some like chorizo from Salvador. So it's got these little things on it. I don't know if you can see the corn husk. So I'm taking it off, and I'm getting ready to go throw that on the grill. All right, we're getting ready to slice some onion. Mandolin slicer. Be very careful. When I first got one about 20 years ago, I was excited. I ended up at the emergency room with 6 stitches. So be very careful if you get one. All right, we're gonna make some peppers, Tijuana style. We're gonna put a little oil. That pan is hot, so I took it off the heat. I think that should do it. Put that over there. Put it back on the heat. Then we're gonna add our peppers. All right, now we're gonna add a little water. You hear it sizzling? We're gonna add some water. There you go, sizzling. Okay, this is done. I mean, it's done for what I wanted to do, because we're gonna cook more on the grill. So I'm taking it off. It's not really cooked through and through, but that's okay because we're gonna cook on the griddle. So I'll just take all this off. We got our sausage on. Okay, we're gonna take off our lid. We use these peppers to turn. Okay, we brung it in. Now we're gonna chop it up. Now, mind you, it's not cooked through and through. I know it. But what we're gonna do is throw it on the griddle. So I'm gonna chop up all this meat. All right, we're ready to finish our peppers. Okay, we're gonna start off with a little bit of white vinegar. Not a lot. Little soy sauce, cucumber. And that's done. A little bit of this. That's rice vinegar. Making my eyes water. Now we're gonna add our garlic. Let that cook for a second. Okay, and they're done. Now we're gonna put them in this bowl. And that's it. Shut off our gas. Okay, I decided the menu change. This sausage is gonna be a taco by itself, and I'm gonna put pork chorizo with that on the grill. So it'll be Salvadorian sausage tacos and pork tacos with chorizo and pineapple. So stay tuned. Okay, I cleaned the grill a little bit earlier, but I decided to clean it just a little bit more. Best way to clean a grill is not soap and water, it's grease and napkins. It does a bomb job. So that's done. Here's the chorizo. Let's get that cooking. I think we'll need one more.
One more chorizo?
Yeah. Turn it up a little bit higher. Now we're gonna add the pork meat.
Yeah, what do you want to do with this pineapple?
Now we're gonna add our onions. Put that other chorizo. It's been cooking for about a minute. I'm gonna add a little oil here. I'm gonna clean up the tray. Get us that sausage. Put that sausage right there. Let that fry up. Let that fry. Put a little oil. All right, get us that sauce.
Butter on here?
Yeah, dump it in there. Get a little salt when you get time. Salt? Yeah. That's good. I bring a fork out for tasting. I'm gonna make 2 and 2. Let's give it a taste, see what it tastes like. On the money.
Yep.
Cooking in my house is a family affair. Everybody gets involved. And here we go. And then some sausage. Okay, we got the finished product. I don't know if you can see it. Can you zoom in a little bit, Rock? That's the finished product. The pork meat has the pineapple on it. The sausage doesn't. Try this one first.
I'll put some
If you want
lime.
a lemon on it, there you go. This is my grandson. He's getting married pretty soon. Pay no attention to that piquant. He does eat a lot of tacos. What does it taste like?
TJ.
TJ tacos?
No.
Try the pepper.
Do you eat peppers?
Try the sausage one. Does it have levels of flavor?
Yeah. It's good. There's like no words to explain.
No words to explain.
Yeah.
Do you speak English?
No, I don't.
No.